Question number 27. Y is equal to negative 2.5, y is equal to x square plus 8x plus k. In the given system of equations, k is a positive integer constant. The system has no real solutions. What is the least possible value of k? It's given by the first equation of the system of equations that y is equal to negative 2.5. We can now substitute this negative 2.5 for y in the second equation. This value we can put it in the second equation. That will yield minus 2.5 is equal to x square plus 8x plus k. Now we can add 2.5 to both sides of this equation. So quadratic equation is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And a, b and c are constants. And it has no real solutions if and only if it's discriminant. We know the quadratic formula is minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. In that, this what is inside the radical sign b square minus 4ac, if it is negative, or in other words if it is less than 0, that time it will have no real solutions. In this particular equation, x square plus 8x plus k plus 2.5 is equal to 0. It says that k is a positive integer constant. So what is the a over here? A is 1, b is 8 and c is this k plus 2.5. Now we will put this in the discriminant b square minus 4ac. So you will have b squared, which is 8 square, minus 4 times a is 1 and c is k plus 2.5. This should be less than 0, or in other words it should be negative. Now we have to solve for this. So 8 square is 64 and this we can simplify to 4 times k plus 2.5 is less than 0. Now add 4 times k plus 2.5 to both sides. Adding 4 times k plus 2.5 to both sides. So this side it will cancel and you will have 64 to be less than 4 times k plus 2.5. So we are trying to solve for k. So next what we can do is we can divide both sides of this inequality by 4. So over here the 4's cancel out and 64 divided by 4 is 16. So 16 should be less than k plus 2.5. Now we can subtract 2.5 on both sides. So 16 minus 2.5 will be 13.5. 13.5 should be less than k. And since we know that k is a positive integer constant, the least possible value of k. So we know that 14 is the least possible. Of course 15, 16, 17, 18, everything, all are integers after that. But the least one which is possible is 14. We know that 13.5 is less than 14. It's also less than 15, 16, 17. But which is the least possible value? The least possible is 14. So therefore for number 27, the least possible value of k would be 14. This is what you have to grade in.